I'm the king of the world.
What was that, dear?
Nothing. Noah, are we gonna get off this boat? I could have made it a little bigger,
Oh, yes. About that. Oh, I know. I'll send out a raven, and if it comes back with a twig or something, then we're saved. Yay.
Oh, that's
all right.
a wonderful idea.
Off you go, raven.
Caw, caw.
Hopefully it comes back.
A week later.
Well, that raven hasn't really come back yet. Oh, I'll just send out a dove then. Alright, goodbye, dove. Fly away and come back later. Dove, you didn't bring back a leaf. Alright, I guess I'll just wait a week.
1 week later.
Alright, off you go then. Ow! It brought a leaf! We're saved! Yes! A leaf! A leaf! We're saved!
Oh, good.
Got something in my throat.